Every month, we engineer hundreds of new parts that solve common automotive problems. This month, we're proud to release 455 new aftermarket solutions, including many that simplify repairs and improve on original manufacturer designs. Pickup trucks work hard, and their beds take a beating, but when their floor supports rust away underneath, the only solution might seem to get a whole new bed. Dorman has a money-saving OE fix solution that lets you save the original bed by replacing only the damaged supports. Our truck bed floor supports are finished in weld-through primer to make installation clean and easy. The DEF injector on Ford diesel trucks can become corroded and fouled from use. The dealer's solution is to replace the entire catalyst assembly, but Dorman lets you replace just the injector. Our OE Fix DEF injector kit installs in the original catalyst and includes a new feedline cup and mounting clips, as well as a new injector for a complete replacement solution. The toughest part of replacing wheel bearings is usually pressing them out of their housings. Our loaded knuckles, like these for the Mazda CX-7 and CX-9, are complete, ready-to-install assemblies with all new knuckles, bearings, and wheel hubs that save hours of shop time compared to replacing individual components. When the display on your vehicle's ventilation control module goes dark, the only solution is to replace it. This HVAC control module for Ford F-150s is one of more than 80 ventilation controls Dorman offers. It's a direct-fit, plug-and-play solution that offers original equipment performance at a considerable saving versus dealer parts. Lane departure warning technology is like having another pair of eyes on the road all the time. But when the warning actuator wears out, you lose the critical feedback that makes it valuable. This lane departure warning seat actuator for Cadillac, GMC, and Chevrolet SUVs is a direct replacement for a worn-out original, restoring lost functionality in the warning system. These are just a handful of this month's innovations. We also have over 60 new engine variable valve timing sprockets, more than 45 new replacement drive shafts, and 34 new engine variable valve timing solenoids for a variety of popular vehicles on the road today. Remember, before you buy from the dealer, check Dorman first. Sign up to receive our monthly new product announcements by email at dormanproducts.com. You can also check out our new product feed page anytime. Thanks for watching. Join us next month to see our latest new innovative solutions.